How to play with bots in Valorant. In this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to play with or add bots on Valorant game. So first is all I have to do is to go into your home screen from the Valorant game and then choose on custom game. Now this is where you can actually add bots or AI enemies, but this is only limited for a certain maps. All I have to do is scroll around these maps available to play with custom game and add some bots. Now the other thing that you can do is to use the shooting range. Now if you head straight into the range, you can try to open range, shooting test, spike planting, and spike diffuse. Now if you use open range and shooting test, your bots will be at stationary. But if you choose on spike planting and spike diffuse, your the bots that we'll be adding on the game will actually be on offense and defense. And that's it. That's how you add bots on Valorant.